G'day, I'm Adam.
Hey, I'm Logan.
We're from Napier Electric, and Logan has just installed a set of cameras at his home, and we're going to show you how easy it is to dial into his cameras at home from the Napier Electric offices. Take it away, Logan.
As you can see, the app is very clear and easy to navigate. Have access to all 4 cameras very easily, very short boot up times, and have very easy access to portrait and landscape mode. Can very easily alter the resolution of the app to higher definitions. You can also zoom in, pinch zoom to zero in on locations of interest. All push notification settings are very accessible inside the app.
So you can turn the notifications on and off?
You can turn the notifications on and off. You can have them. You can set sensitivities. You can do all of that from the push of a button from most of the side on the laptop end.
That's great. And usability of the app, can you just show us how easy it is to adjust the resolutions there?
That I can. So you just tap the screen. You'll get a short display. The eye function. Low definition, middle definition, and higher definition. It auto sets to low definition to save space on your hard drive, but very easy to change up the definition at a touch of a button.
That's great. So if you'd like cameras installed, just give us a call, Napier Electric Company, 833 7551, or click the link in the description.